All right, so who here reads books? Wow, nobody. Oh, no. I'm glad you read books. I hope that we can encourage you to read books. On stage next, I'm going to write the next great American novel. Yeah, it's awesome. Very exciting. So I will narrate the novel, and then here's this little corner here, and my players, who will come up now, will perform the scene as it goes along. So not only do you get to hear the beginning of the next great American novel, you also get to see it in movie form in your opinion. So the only thing I need from you is a suggestion for a topic for my book. So how about something you might study at Princeton?
Drugs.
Drugs. Oh, also I need a title. So how about somebody just yell a title for my book?
Porn.
Anybody, title, anybody. Just do it. That's either rude or a very excellent title. So just do it. A story about drugs. 1975, Princeton. It's raining. No. It's sunny. No. It's okay. Dwayne really needed to find some drugs. He needed to find some ADD medicine so he could study for his test. And so he went to somebody of ill repute.
You, sir, you look like you're of ill repute. What do you want? It's the drugs. Need something to help me stay awake. I gotta study. What is it? You're student of medicine? Say that. I will be once you sell me some drugs. How much you got? I got a student ID and $12. You can take one, but not the other.
Ooh. Later, in the lair of the drug dealer, Dwayne discovered something odd.
There's a lady!
Yo, I got what you need.
You look unsavory too, but I already gave him my $12. I got a student ID.
I say that, bro. You gotta give me something I want.
What do you want?
The first drug dealer came out angry that the second drug dealer was selling on his turf. He was very angry.
With this 20 bucks, it's not enough.
It's just 12.
I'm angry.
Not that now. You want a piece of me?
Get a piece of you every night.
Dwayne found
We are out of supplies. We need to go to the boss.
I don't answer to your boss. I'm freelance now.
Phil Knight Drugstore, may I help you? Yes, we just do it. I know I have a lot of Chinese kids who are making a lot of drugs at the current time. I know it's against the law, but what the hell? You need that much? God, I gotta get these guys going. Come on, let's go!
So basket weaving?
How are we gonna make so much drugs? There's been a huge demand recently. We need to hire more people.
Dude, you only made $12 from the drugs. I'm thinking these baskets, we're gonna make $1 million.
Later on the street, Dwayne brought the gigantic brick of drugs that he stole from the drug dealers and tried to sell them to other drug dealers.
Drugs for sale! Drugs? Drugs? Hey? Drugs?
Unfortunately for him, Greg the pharmacist, who's actually a big drug dealer, came out, and he was not happy either.
Sir, you look like a man who needs some drugs. What I got these ones. I got the yellow ones. I don't know what those are, but they got the little Harry Potter symbol on them. Here we go.
Why'd you have to put the child lock on it?
That's just how I found them. Can't be too picky for $12.
Oh, thank you.
And that's how the pharmacist, the drug dealer, finally died.